Hey everybody, it is Tiffany again at the Prima booth. I'm going to show you guys a look at the art philosophy collection from Prima. So we have the watercolor confections. Some of these are old, some of them might be new, I'm not exactly sure. Just gonna take you guys so that you guys can see. Sorry for the reflection here. And we have concentrated watercolors, which look amazing. And then more watercolor confections. We have some more concentrated watercolors here. Some more watercolor confections, or confetti, watercolor confetti. And we got the metallic accents. And then a couple samples down there. I definitely can never paint that. A squeaky floor, I mean. All right, I'm gonna come over here. Here is a look at all of the watercolor confections here. And again, this is the art philosophy line from Prima. These are the concentrated watercolors, or liquid. It's got the watercolor pads, resist watercolor pen, watercolor confetti set here. We got all these. We got the watercolor brushes. Oh, and then we got the the flower palette there. We got some more watercolor paper pads there. All right, then here is watercolor tubes here. These look amazing as well. So we got these here.
Then we'll stretch this one out.
And then we got the oil pastels. And then some samples here. All right, that is a look at the art philosophy from Prima. All right, catch you later.